All right, we're going to change out a beagle bone. So you're going to want to flip the scale so you can have access to the base. And you're going to start by removing the feet, these screws. There's a few of them around, and then take off these wing nuts. All right. So you're going to want to unconnect that right there. Take out the two screws.
There's another one similar here.
All right, and you get your new beagle bone. And then you make sure you put the spacers on the end of the screw. Screw that one in.
I have the bill of lading for the 55.
Chandler.
You guys need to do the same on this side.
And there you have it. Now you just put the cover back on, screws, feet, wing nuts.